2023 Tucson, Hyundai Tucson. It has 22,520 miles. Within 100% snake oil. Snake oil. It helps preserve the engine. Gadgetman Group. Treats up to 5 gallons. You unscrew the cap. Let the engine warm up first. Empty out. Put the cover back on. Starting up the engine. Start it up at the top. So drive around for 6 minutes before it goes through the system. This is the results after 1,000 miles with 100% snake oil in a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. This is 23,000 miles. This is the sound in the car. This is the results on the 100% snake oil product after over 1,000 miles. You can see how quiet the engine is. Hardly moving. I'm gonna put a bottle of water. See the bottle of water hardly moving. Engine is so smooth. What's up? The water bottle is hardly moving. A 100% snake oil. This is for the coolant. Snake oil for the coolant. It rebuilds the water pump, the fuel system, prevented any damage, preserve it. You take the cap off. 2023 Hyundai Tucson. You take that tip off. And you just drive the vehicle and let the product work. 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Put in 100% snake oil. Yeah, fuel system cleaner. This is it right here, 10 cc's. You do this once a year. You put the lid back on. It treats up to 50 gallons.